Today on Waterbox Live, we are talking about the importance of auto top-off systems on the Waterbox Pro Series aquarium. When we were designing the Waterbox Pro Series, we understood the need to provide a large evaporation reservoir that can be used with popular electronic auto top-off systems. Due to their large size, our Pro Series aquariums will naturally evaporate more freshwater than your standard Waterbox Reef series, and dealing with evaporation is critical to the stability of your tank. Every aquarium is going to evaporate water. However, reef tanks typically evaporate more because of the high turnover and surface agitation. The average reef aquarium evaporates 1 to 4 gallons per day. An important tip to remember that when water evaporates, the salt stays. So all your other levels start elevating, such as calcium, alkalinity, and other trace elements that make for a less stable tank. On this build, we're focusing on the Pro 230.6. This 6-foot reef-ready system comes standard with an additional 18.7 gallon rimless reservoir specifically designed to hold evaporation water. Let's jump right in as we are going to take you through installing the XP Aqua Ultimate Auto Top-Off System. For more information about Waterbox Aquariums, visit www.waterboxaquariums.com.